Good afternoon, everyone. So I was unsure about putting this saw up for sale, just because she's been a prized possession of mine for some time. So this is one of my last partner R16s. Started life in the 60s. Spectacular engine, 55cc, iconic saw, but the thing with the attraction for this saw is, I hope it comes out on camera, is the finish which it still has on the original factory paint, which is just absolutely sublime. And so she's in beautiful running order. Saw I've never cut with, only paint is, or the paint flake, and only another piece came off only recently as well, which is just where people fill them with fuel on the ground and they get the initial cracks in, and then the damp might crawl in underneath it, and just see, it's just, you can see this lovely patina on the aluminium. So it's just lifted that paint there a little bit more recently, but the rest of the paint around the saw is absolutely spectacular. So she's going up for sale as a collector's item, and currently fitted with I think that's a nominal 15-inch Oregon bar and chain setup. Chain has excellent life, could possibly be sharpened. I've never cut with her, but it's got, I would say, probably 90% teeth life left. And she's got this beautiful original knuckle guard with the brass edging, all intact all the way around. Let me show you what she runs like. Throttle lock, bit of choke, amazing compression. So, a spectacular running engine in every regard, from cold, run inverted, doesn't miss a beat, oils perfectly, exhaust in spectacular condition, just everything in amazing, amazing original condition. So, I thought what I'd do, I'll pause the camera, take off the covers, do a little baby walk around, and then show her on a restart, and hopefully suitable for one of you fellow collectors out there, or maybe somebody wants to put it back into service. But for me, she's just well, the condition is just so difficult now to get. So I'll take the covers off and back in a second. Hi guys. So I've taken off the covers then for my R16. Here's the top cover. I hope this does it justice for the paint and just how incredibly clean this saw is. No dents at all. If you want to be super critical, there's a slight rub here where the handguard comes over, but spectacular. The chain guide plates are in perfect condition, in and out one, both present, inner and outer. The side cover, no damage at all. Some paint flake on the outside, but no damage. Then on the inside, new bar stud nuts, hardened steel. And so this gorgeous original nose, this sprocket nose guide bar, Oregon, full chisel chain, and onto the engine. So gorgeous exhaust, all original bolts or screws all the way around as far as I can tell. No fin damage. Gently spin her. Paint on the handle in excellent condition. Original air filter. Just so clean everywhere. Had a new plug and a new fuel pickup liner a while back, and a new pull cord. Original side cover with the original sticker, impossible to find. And all the way around. Okay guys, I'll quickly put the covers back on again, show her on a restart, and hopefully suitable for a fellow collector out there, or maybe you want to put this saw back into service and use her. But she is definitely an appreciating classic, and is really only going to be going up in value kept like this. Back in a second. Hi guys. Okay, cover screwed back on. So here she is. Would honestly be able to say as well, I don't know if you're looking for one of these, I would think this would be almost without exception one of the cleanest ones you'll be able to find almost anywhere, and the only thing which, if one came up, would be the right hand side cover, as long as it was undamaged, and then this saw would just be amazing condition. So, but you know, she's all original, and hopefully suit for one of you guys out there. Let me show you on a restart. It's got fantastic compression. Guys, thanks for watching. That's my amazing partner R16. Doesn't miss a beat. Correct orientation, inverted, full throttle, straight back to idle, no hesitation. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous vintage running example of a classic saw. Guys, thanks for watching. Love to hear any comments. Any questions, I'll do my best to answer. Bye for now, guys.